Hi, I'm Kunal Raganwar. So, has it become a little bit frustrating in the market for day traders? I think so. Because the market is waiting for something. It has become very, very choppy. ये टाइम पे सबसे बेस्ट क्या रहता है इज टू सेव कैपिटल और टू मेक द लीस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ लॉसेस एज पॉसिबल. Before we start, we'll have a look at what has happened today and what we can expect tomorrow. उसके पहले please share, like and subscribe. So now, welcome to the Game Changers. तो बैंक निफ्टी में हम लोग ने कल बात किया था that we want बैंक निफ्टी to break today's low on the downside for a short setup और ब्रेक द डेज हाई फॉर अ लॉन्ग सेटअप. उसके बाद हम लोग को एक 3 मिनट पिवट चाहिए था बिलो द डेज लो. नाउ इफ यू सी दिस 3 मिनट पिवट इज इनसाइड द डेज लो बट इट इज ऑन द बॉर्डर लाइन ऑफ बीइंग a valid setup or not. So we'll count it as a valid setup. This is a valid setup. यहाँ पे this is a valid entry. But when something like this happens, एक सिर्फ आपकी ऑर्डर आती है एंड सपोज रिवर्स हो गया, तो नॉर्मली ना what you should be doing is, I'll tell you. When something like this happens, what one should do is, if this is your entry and this pivot is your stop loss, when something like this happens just after taking your order, what one can do is get your stop to this point. थोड़ा सा कम कर दो. You don't need to wait for the full stop loss. थोड़ा सा कम कर दो यहाँ पे such that वापस ये पॉइंट के नीचे जाएगा. After this candle, if it goes down again, you can re-enter. Okay, why do I tell this? Because when we are taking a breakdown after so much of confirmation, हमको चाहिए कि वो नीचे जाए या एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे साइडवेज जाए, नॉट एग्जैक्टली रिवर्स हो जाए. ठीक है, दिस इज जस्ट एन एग्जीक्यूशन ट्रिक. It will help you in the future. Now, what to expect for tomorrow? Tomorrow is a very interesting day because if you see, आज it has been nearly an inside day. थोड़ा सा दिन का ये लो टूटा है but it has been an inside day. It's a small body day. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, this on a daily chart, this is still a small body. So for shorting, it has now become easier because of this rise कि if the 50% and the 61.8% of this fall starts going on the downside, we can look to short. मतलब क्या, suppose the high comes till here, what we want is a 3 minute to break the 50 and the 61.8% level. यहाँ पे ब्रेक करके कंसोलिडेशन एंड देन अ ब्रेकडाउन. दिस इज वैलिड बट मेरा थोड़ा सा बायस लॉन्ग साइड पे है इवन दो इट इज़ बिलो द मूविंग एवरेजेस. सो आई विल बी वेटिंग, आई विल नॉट बी रशिंग टू गो लॉन्ग. लॉन्ग सेटअप आएगा इफ आज का डे एंड हाई उसने कन्विंसिंगली ऐसा तोड़ा, then it will be a valid setup. We wanted to break today's high convincingly like this, make a 3 minute pivot and then break out. This pivot should happen above the day's high. ठीक है. Now imagine if one doesn't take a stop loss here आज. Imagine the loss here. That is why I feel stop loss is very important, especially for day traders. Even I would say for investors and positional traders. Why? गलत है तो निकल जाओ, वापस एंटर करने को चांस तो आएगा ही. If re-entry is not a problem in the market, one should always be okay to take small stop losses and re-enter if the trade goes in your direction. Chalo, bye, see you tomorrow.